Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something really exciting. We've actually just brought another house. So if you know us, you know that we moved out, was it 2 years ago?
2 years ago, yeah.
Into our own house. But today we've brought a house to renovate. We're in with Job's mum and dad, so you'll probably see...
And my brother.
Oh, and his brother, but you'll
And
probably
his
see his dad more so in the videos because he does all the work. So we're going there today. Job's going to give you a little tour of the house. It's nothing amazing, but it's ready.
It's going to be amazing.
Yeah, it's going to get renovated and then we're going to rent it out. So this is a little project. We're going to do a little series on it. So yeah, follow along if you want to watch the series. We're going to be doing all sorts of renovation because it needs a new kitchen, a new bathroom. Don't think there's any walls knocking out, is there?
Possibly downstairs.
Possibly an archway. Needs to go, but
it's going to be budget friendly, so if you're interested in that as well and you want to see how much it all costs,
yeah,
make sure to subscribe, and the next time we see you we'll be inside the property.
Yeah, Joe's going to give you a little tour, show you the outside. I mean, the only down thing is that there's not really a garden, but you know, it's not for us, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, Joe will give you a little tour and then we'll get straight into the work. So see you next clip.
Bye.
Here he is.
Let's go. This what I've got as well.
Still time for sale.
Look what I've got.
What we got?
The spanners for the spanner.
There we go. Here's his little toolbox.
Got my de-icer. I couldn't find my Stanley. Couldn't find the crowbar.
I've lost Dad, but I'm not going to tell him. I've lost it. Yeah, spanners. Right, so we're outside. We can't get in just yet because my dad's got the keys, but let's just show you around. Some lovely flowers, but as you can see the grass is all overgrown. Oh, that's awful. I mean, look at all the other lawns. And then look at ours. I bet there's crickets in there.
And ticks.
Actually, there's a little bit overgrown as well. But yeah, let's just.
How about the roses?
Oh yeah, I didn't notice so. So we'll do a quick walk around. This was the dining room, I believe. Living room. It smells of cigarettes.
It smells of cigarettes and dank.
Kitchen. It's looking gorgeous. And then we'll head on up. Nice little mirror. So I think, yeah, it's two bedrooms. The toilet is separate to the bathroom, so there's the toilet. And then we've got the bathroom. Oh, look at those little tiles. They're going to be nice to take off. And then we've got another bedroom here. And yeah, I don't know whether that's the front or the back. It's a bit back to front, to be honest. But yeah, we'll get the stuff out the van and get cracking. First time, what you thinking?
A lot of work. I'm thinking this is going to take a lot of weekends.
Although we know this is the bedroom. We know this is the bedroom. We've got little tiles on.
Oh, this was the bathroom. I've never guessed. You been in the loft?
Where is he?
Right, mate.
Pops! We're documenting it, mate.
Here we go. First day.
I've took a little tour around of the house. Showed everybody.
Nice to be in business with you.
Wolf runner. I was going to wear my wolf runner top.
Where's Dad?
What are we doing, Pops? Explain.
So we're going to take these out, these wardrobes first, take it down there out of the way. We can start stripping the walls.
Get the carpet up.
There's another room. No, Job wants to leave the carpet until the mess is down, don't you?
I ain't said nothing.
But we can get this carpet can go, to be fair, because it's really gone.
Look at it. Look where the bed was. It's a little bed.
It's lovely.
out the window. Carpet, gone, out the window. Chest of drawers, gone, out the window. Next, wallpaper, gone, out the window.
Yep, so that's the one room nearly done, to be fair. And I'm just going to come into here, start removing this,
Oh, nice and straight
because
there. There's an edge to it.
yeah, it's not looking the best, is it? So yeah. So that's the basin and the bath out. Here's how it's looking. Bath's gone, and we've just replumbed everything back in. So like the taps, we've just put them back on so that we can have the water on if we want. And then in here, look at that. All the wallpaper is gone. On the floor, look at that. Crikey. But yeah, it's not even lunchtime yet, so what time is it?
The time is 12:05 on the first day grafting in 15 Treviot Gardens.
And he's tapping out.
I'm out. Going to enjoy my weekend. See- Joe,
Ah,
do you want to have a look what's going on under here?
yeah, I don't pee. Oh.
No, I just sunk him.
What's that like? Where is that?
They've screwed it down. I hope it's not a joist that's gone. This little wire, do you remember it? Dad, what? I'll leave it in your paper bag.
So, I'm back at Teviot. You've seen Joe has got some footage, but I'm now here and they are currently stripping the wallpaper off the wall. I'll turn you around. Hard work.
Steamer. Get nice and wet. Strip it straight off.
In
This is actually quite tough. This is
30-degree heat and he's standing by a steamer. It's been very hard for him. But they've got all this done. He's only got that little bit now left, in ya?
Yeah, and then clean up, and that's day one complete. Take him into the bathroom actually, because
There's pics.
take him into both rooms to show him everything that's been done. So that's what we have.
Okay, so this is bedroom 1. Show you the bathroom. So they've finished the bathroom. Everything's been took out. Pipes are up.
And we're back.
It's quite a small bathroom. And then this is the second bedroom. The bedroom's quite roomy actually, which is nice. But yeah, they're nearly they're nearly done for the day. I bet they're glad because it is very hot. That's not the focus, is it? It's like a little old ring with a C on it. But yeah, nearly done. Day 1, almost complete. Back again tomorrow, so we'll put that all in the same vlog. Jab will show you what he gets up to tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to be here much, but we'll see. So yeah, I don't know if it's probably all the footage we're going to get for today, so we'll see you again tomorrow, because all they're going to do now is clean up and then they're coming home. It's like 4 o'clock, so they've been at it all day and they'll just come home, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Day 2, here we go. We've got Lib, Pix and Alf in the car with us. Time is 8:10 on a Sunday, and yeah, another day's graft. So it's only around the corner, so we're going to get there now and start cracking on. Day 2.
Okay, shoot, yeah.
What are we doing then? What are we starting off with? What's been going on? Jacob's not going to be happy, is he?
Just getting this wood out
I know,
now.
I'm gutted about that.
Jacob's not going to be happy.
What do you mean?
He liked the brick.
So do I.
Uh,
I like that.
There's gone now. You like what, Lib? You like the
oh, we've got some brick here. Yeah, we've still got some brick, but that's all gone.
Predicament. They've put the pipe over the wood panelling.
The screw to it as well.
No, that's got to come off then, ain't that plastic? So we can't even break it and slide it out, it's just got to come off. What a stupid thing to do. So, predicament number 1.
Got to take this off. Take it off.
Take it off.
Take it off. What is this on? What did you do?
Oh, it's just slotted on, by the looks of it.
It's just that bit noisy.
Right, you're going to tell them what you're doing?
Radiator's got to come off because we're trying to take all this off. Obviously, all the pipes are on the wall, radiator's on the wall, so it's just a bit of faff. So turn the radiator to 0. That's how we know that valve is off. This one we'll give a little twist with the adjustable. Then we'll take these nuts off. A little bit of water come out.
Alf's just inspecting.
Catch the water. Takes ages to drain. This is how to drain this one radiator, not all of them. There is a drain off here, but as you can see, coming out mouldy. That is never going to work. Look at that. So that would drain off the whole house, which means this potentially could have a lot of water in, because these pipes could have a lot of water in. But we'll soon see. We'll see how many trays we need. So let's get cracking. Inlet, outlet. I took the one off upstairs in the bathroom, so I was walking around. It's tiny, it's small, a little bit smaller than this one. So just let it drip to begin with.
So radiator's off, wood panelling is off, and there's more wallpaper there. We're now starting in the kitchen. So Job's just going to start getting rid of the whole kitchen.
Lovely little bit of
Mess in there. Oh, what even is that?
just a bit of tea and coffee.
So yeah, that is plan of action. Woo!
Oh, little more, little looks like that, dude. Underneath, green bug, it's a green one. I'll save it.
Look at that, nice. Steak set.
Right, so that's. So we showed who's doing the kitchen yet? Or...
I've told them that we're doing the kitchen, but that cupboard's gone.
Okay.
All the doors are off, ready to go.
Libby's just going to fetch Rocco.
Fetch little rock.
Extra pair of hands, Rocco.
Yeah,
Sausage dog.
just to wind everyone up. But we're going to fetch a rock. Take these out for a little W, ALK. And then
Leave us at work.
leave them at work for a bit, and then I'll be coming back.
I'll have to replumb this tap back in, take it out, get the can stop out, and replumb that bad boy in so that we can have the water on and we've got a tap to wash our lovely
What's it
hands.
going to stand on though?
We'll just put something there. We can just, well, we can just probably keep this unit in or something.
Yeah.
Which annoyed me. Ooh. Right.
Right then.
Ooh. It's another
Heavy.
bag.
Is it heavy?
Not for me. Not for me. Right, so we knocked all the plaster off the wall because this plaster wasn't the best. So we've just gone bare brick, and then we'll get some boards on, get some edging, and then the plasterer can plaster onto that. Same here. Then we just took the door off as well, just because easy access. And then we'll show you downstairs as well. Okay, so we're going to show you outside in a second because it's all going to add up to what we're doing. But basically the soil pipe is normally plastic, but the soil pipe in this house is actually steel, metal, so you can't move it as easy. So we're going to go outside, show you where we've dug up, because we'll put like a T-bone or whatever you call it, plastic in, put it outside, it'll come all the way up, and then it'll come inside to the toilet, and then you'll be able to put a flexi on and then have a much better toilet than what's in there now. So let's go outside, show, so you can see metal. This is a mess that we've caused. So pipe was there, so we just dug down there. As you can see, pipe's got a little bit of an hole in because someone got a bit kanga happy. But yeah, so more than likely have a little bit of a T in there, come up this wall, through that wall, and then we'll be able to have a very nice toilet.
So that will complete day 2. To be honest, probably end this vlog here, just because there's not really anything we can do, and we won't do any more until next weekend. So we'll put that in a new vlog. We'll put that in a new vlog. So thank you all for watching, and if you want to follow along, tune back in next week.